Hello, everyone. Today we are going to talk about bacteria. What are bacteria? Are they good or bad? How do they affect our body? Let's understand it in a simple way through this video. Bacteria are very tiny living organisms that cannot be seen with the naked eye. They are made up of only one cell. Bacteria live in water, soil, food, air, and even inside our body. There are two main types of bacteria. The first type is good bacteria. These bacteria are helpful to our body. For example, the bacteria in our intestines help with digestion. Also, lactobacillus, which is used to make yogurt, is a good type of bacteria. The second type is harmful bacteria. These bacteria cause diseases. Examples include E. coli, Salmonella, and the bacteria that cause cholera. Bacteria can enter our body through drinking dirty water, eating undercooked food, dirty hands, and contact with infected people. That is why we should wash our hands properly, drink clean water, cook food well, and keep our surroundings clean. Some bacterial infections are treated using antibiotics. However, antibiotics should not be used without medical advice. So everyone, not all bacteria are bad. Some are helpful to us, while others can cause diseases. For more simple educational videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you.